MLA bet MDC Karanikor constituency Bah Pius Marwein hene kesngi kispotrek ujeliu rajar arpunriu haliyo ban Plie pajba ya ke yung skul bet thymmai jong ke Chibak government LP school ya gani ke yung skul thymmai la trei lengba ka state scheme infrastructure upgrade project phase 3 ha kamang pisa ka ba sau lak dam ha gani kesngi le don langru SDSO ba SS Langkhoi lembat kiwe ki officer Habai jingkren Bah Pius Marwein ulai thu ban nadu bau job election house nam arhajar khatpra kumba ula kular ki pajba ula persyang ban pendep ya ki surok ki skul ki jaka sumar ka boarding bat ki wei ki jingdon kam ha ki shnong ki thau.
We have inaugurated the school building, government LP school.
Long time, right from 2006, I used to travel this area, but I find it very, very difficult for me to travel. I would like to remind and tell somebody, I think my friend may remember, but those who are not present that time. The first time I reached here, I come by truck 4-wheel. We traveling right from Nongjiri especially, yes, very difficult route right from Radikor. And then from here, from Nongjiri up to here, we reach in the night time by 10 o'clock in the night. So I reach here and I stay in one of my friend's house here in Khanjai. So I find it very, very difficult time to travel. But nowadays, by hard work of our honorable MLA, we see that a lot of change. I to tell the people there in Sosham, when I be together with Sir MLA, the first time I reached there in Pendar Sosham, I'm climbing that hill by foot only. But last time I accompany our Sir MLA, we are going by vehicle. So I see is a lot of change, sir. I cannot deny this because during your time, I see that there is a lot of change. So thank you for everything that you have done for our constituency. I see not only in education department that you have contributed a lot, but I see in all sectors you are trying to do the best that you are given from your ability to do it. So thank you all these things, sir. So I am not take much time in that lengthy speech. With that, I want to come something regarding the education department. I'm really happy to see that we are able to get this building today here. We'll be very hopeful that it will change the education scenario of this village, because we have it's a very congested one here. I see that the people from here, they contributed a lot. They are work hard. They contributed a lot to repair, to do everything for this benefit of the children for the school building. But now we are happy that we see that we are could inaugurate this new school building. Okay, some things remaining that we have not yet completed, like connection of the electricity, the bench, but that will be the bench, the desks, which are not we are not here by today, by seeing today, but I think very few days and just a few days and few months, I think we will be getting all these things. We do hope, because the government tried to furnish everything that we need for the school. So I do hope that this school building will change the education and the education of the students here in the village Chibak itself.
We live in the same state. We are brother and sister. That's why from government now promote even language Garo and Khasi also. Even from the teachers, so many teachers, they have requested me, especially they are after they getting the job, they send them to Ramdangai, to Sohaleng, to Bagli, even to Khonjwai, to Chibak also. They request me please no sir, because we don't know language. Give us here nearby in our village, especially give us here in Khasi school. I told them, no, you have to sit there. You have to know Garo. You also have to know Garo. You teach them in Khasi. Students teach you in Garo. If you know language, means it's a blessing for you. I didn't. They came to me. You stayed there till 3 years. After you know Garo and that student also you know Khasi, then I'll take you to your village or then nearby to your place. To place. So many teachers they came to me. I said no. Because I want to promote. Means not only teachers, not only myself, not only for us, especially for our dear children. We are not studying. For us it's finished. For me, for us, DSEO, for Badham, Batelang, we are finished for education. No time for us also. No? If we want, even now also, even myself, I still regret. Because like our DSEO, he said, education we cannot end. Education is cannot, but what to do? What we cannot go back again. But for our children, we don't want to put what we have faced before. We don't want to do that. Because government school is there, SSA school is there, church school is there, school Balang is there. So many school. Even myself also, I have promised regarding this education department. We are inaugurated. This is the second time only in this area. We have finished last year in Konjwai, same building like this. In Chibak, even before this also I have given 15 lakhs with DMF school in this village regarding this school building. And in this school building, we have seen now, building have finished. Our SDSEO, he said that from department, we will give bench, we will give electricity, and we will give maybe some things from the education department. I have seen the building is complete. But what is needed? More toilet. We have already proposed, proposed the toilet, but Kansai Thongni, maybe he have come to give the line to start this toilet in the school. This is our responsibility. Not only in this area. I want to tell you in whole border. Like I said, in Rongdangai, in Rongdu, in Bagli, Jilagora, Meskola, Sohlen, Chitok, no government school with teacher or building. And I would like to tell you here in front of you, especially school building. Maybe all of you know about Soling. Soling is small village. Around maybe 30 household like that. In Soling, I have proposed. Even you also, you cannot believe why we kept school building in Soling amount 70 lakhs. Work will start by next month or maybe by August or September. In Soling. Why I keep this? Essentially, it seems that village is very small. Have to give amount or small? No, because we have to look for the future. 70 lakhs in Soling school. We will contract a government school, government LP school. Regarding education department, and I am not a person that I look only one department. You have seen Asas Lungkoi, our SDSEO. He said before he will travel to Sosham by foot. Just after 6-7 years, now we travel by vehicle. Even in this area also before it's like that. After 2 years, before 2028, if we travel to Bagli now it takes time for us. How much? 40 minutes. By next week, this Konjwai to Bagli, they call tender around 12 crores. This road. Majisura from here Konjwai to Majisura PMJSY. Now we are prepared. Direct from Konjwai to Bagli also there's PMJSY. This is our work. Not only in education. Not only sometimes people think that representative MLA remember us only when election time. Remember only scheme only election time. I don't want to hurt that we cannot send our children because no building school. I don't want to hurt that there is no teacher. If these two things is not there, come complain with me. I used to tell, come complain with me. I'll be there. I'll be there. Two things I want to remind regarding this government school. When I won election in 2018, first thing, they came in newspaper that in Domyasiat, there is the name of government school, but the government denied because there is uranium. They didn't give government school. Just I heard that, just within 5 or 6 months, I put a scheme. Domyasiat now, just maybe household around 15 or 16 household, but government school is there, teachers is there. Secondly, there is a one again complaint that in Rondangai there is government school, no building, but no building. Everybody, our people know Rondangai now. The school is nearby the road only. Just after I heard that, see Rondangai, government school is there or not. In each and every village, tell me, regarding government school, I don't want to hear that there is no building, there is no teachers, and there is no student. This is my promise. Because we know government school, especially we help for the poor people. Because I don't want to lose each and every children without education. Education is the most important. Our SDSEO now has reminded us. Education needed. We'll start education right from we are born in this world till the end, till the lifetime of our life. That is education needed in this modern world. Before, we used to remember to fight the war, to fight development, to fight anything means we have to take sword, we have to get weapons, arms. But now in this modern world, it's not like that. Now it's with education. To fight a war, to fight development, with education, that we can happen. Not that time that we have to take weapons again to fight development. It's not like that. To fight development is education. That's why I don't want to lose each and every student without education. We know now. If anything we needed, first of all, we have to ask certificate which class we have passed. Example, we apply driving license. Without class 8, now government did not give a license. Without class 8, now government did not give a license. There is a time, even driver also maybe have to pass class 10, class 12, because the world has changed. We go to hospital. If we are sick, we go to hospital. We have to know because nowadays, if we take medicine also, we have to take which medicine means for good for us. If we go for farmer nowadays, why they give training? We cannot do farmer now just like before because totally changed. The environment has changed. The climate has changed. Everything has changed. Then we need education. The most means my first priority also the education, especially for our dear children. Even from government also, from our dear Honorable Chief Minister, from Education Chief Minister. We are so happy, especially in our constituency, that this government has seen the future. You see now, even in the subject also, they put Khasi and Garo subject. Now they start Khasi and Garo subject. Because now, what from the government try to this? Because language also is the most important. Even we are now in DSC exam. Even in Bagmara district, when you apply DSC there, even Khasi people have to know Garo. We apply in Tura DSC. We apply.